What's going on, guys? So been wanting to make this video for a while now, and I'm finally sitting down to do it. So I know there are some people that may not have Facebook, so maybe you haven't heard the news or kind of seen what's going on. If you remember a couple videos ago, and maybe like every video since August that I've posted, I've been showing y'all my trailer, my new trailer that I got, back in August. Well, I ordered that trailer from Sean Hodges at Arkansas Washing Equipment back in November of 2021, and I received that trailer. I was supposed to receive that trailer in February of 22. Many days of back and forth texts and phone calls and emails and just about every way that you can communicate with somebody. Stressful days, stressful nights, wondering when I'm going to get this thing. I finally received it in August. Because of all that, because of how stressful it was, I had a lot of friends and a lot of people that weren't friends that reached out through YouTube, through Facebook, and other ways that, asked me how I liked the trailer, if I would recommend them going with Sean. And, at first I was like, yeah, he builds quality stuff, and but I would always say the communication is what sucks, man. Also, another point that I need to make clear is whenever I picked up my trailer, he made me sign a paper that says that I'm not allowed to talk negatively about his company, or he could sue me. I couldn't talk negatively about his company on social media, or he could sue me. So I couldn't ever say anything really publicly about how my experience was dealing with Sean. And now I'm able to. Unfortunately, through unfortunate events, I'm able to fortunately make this video. And but I mean, it's too late now, I think. I was able to save quite a few people that reached out to me in private messages. I straight up told them, I was like, dude, do not buy from Sean. Go somewhere else, because it's just going to be so stressful, such a headache, and it's not worth it. You're going to wait a year to get your equipment. For new guys, maybe they quit their job and they need it like the next wash season. And that's what I was hoping for. I outgrew my 12-foot trailer, and I needed something that had 2 washers. I wanted a gas pump and electric reels and all that stuff to make my efficiency, a lot better in 2022 in the wash season. Well, I got my trailer in August, like I said, so pretty much the whole spring season that I wanted to use it in was gone. Luckily, we were super busy from August, until now. We're still going. We haven't slowed down. Even in the, we might have had a couple days off for like snow or whatever it was, but I'm in Texas, so I can pretty much wash all year round. What I'm trying to get to, guys, is I was able to help some people not order from Sean, luckily, but there's still a lot of people that did. And if you haven't heard the news, Sean closed his business down. He shut down the Facebook page that had close to I think it was close to 8,000 followers on Facebook, but he had over 6,000 likes on his business page. He deleted that page. He deleted his personal Facebook page. He deleted his Google My Business account, his website. He packed up his shop and left town. Right now, I'm in contact with, that I know of, guys, I think I'm in contact with over 30 now, but in total, I believe there's 60 plus people that have given Sean between $7,000 to $20,000, and some $50,000. Some people have put $150,000 into new trucks, new skids, and all this stuff to be able to wash this last season or this coming up season. And Sean has closed down after taking everybody's money. So I'm just here to tell you guys, if you ordered from Arkansas Washing Equipment or Sean Hodges or Arkansas Softwash kits, whatever it was, whenever you ordered, you're probably not going to get your equipment. Hopefully you can get your money back. If you're a victim of this, guys, leave a comment if you need help, and I can kind of tell you like the people to get a hold of and stuff like that. I can try to help you out. But if you paid with a credit card, please, like right now, as you watch this video, like pause the video right now and go dispute that charge, because as far as we know, he's going to try and file bankruptcy. He's on the run. The sheriff's department is involved. There's a whole lot of people involved with trying to figure out what's going on, and it's all still, you know, pretty new. I mean, it's about a week old now. Yeah, man, it's crazy. I don't know what else to say. I was fortunate to just be out of Hotbox. That's what. I received my trailer. I don't know if I even spoke about that yet. I received my trailer. I'm missing a remote downstream injector, a 10-gallon a minute hot box, and a couple other things, couple small things, probably like $4,000 worth of stuff that I'm still missing. But there's some guys that are out $20,000 cash that they sent Sean for equipment, and they're not going to get it now. So yeah, I don't know the solution to this. I don't know what can be done. I'm just like kind of in shock, because this is a guy that has been building equipment for, you know, a couple years now, has built up a pretty good name for himself, and he's just thrown it all away all of a sudden and scammed. I mean, 60 people that I know of. That's like insane. And the fact that he's on the run now, I don't know. I'm just I'm a little bit speechless, guys. Like, it's very like shocking to me that somebody could do this to a lot of people. There's people that I've talked to that, you know, they went like all in on this business, right? They have kids, a wife, full-time jobs, and maybe they've quit that job. There's some that have quit that job to start up a washing business, and now they don't have equipment. Now they're out $20,000, which was their savings, you know, to get this business started. There's people that are having to get second and third jobs just to help pay the bills, because they've been paying a trailer payment for 15 months, but they have no equipment. So yeah, guys, I'll try to keep like updating you as this progresses, you know, but I just had to say kind of my little side of it. So if you ordered with Sean, go dispute it, and hopefully you can get your money back. Oh man, I don't know. I know there's some good guys out there in the wash community that are helping a lot of people out, a lot of other vendors that are stepping up, and they don't have to do that, you know. I mean, it's not their responsibility to put their money on the line and go out there and maybe supply people with equipment or give people discounts or stuff like that. They don't have to do that stuff, but there's a lot of people that are, and I really respect that. And I know that a lot of the people that have been victims of Sean have seen that, and they really respect that. So if you're a vendor and you're watching this, guys, I appreciate y'all doing that, because like I said, you didn't have to, and you're taking money out of your own pocket to help others out, and that's awesome. So hopefully everybody gets through this and gets some money back, and hopefully Sean goes to prison for a long time. You know, everybody else that's been a victim, we're all coming together, and it's making this community stronger. For the last like couple years, you know, I've kind of seen this community grow to a whole lot of new people, and it's, you know, sometimes I get on Facebook and it's like there's a lot of hate, a lot of negativity, and something like this, you know, I see it bringing a lot of people back together, and you know, I guess that's the only good that I've seen come out of this, but at least there's some good coming out of this. So other than that, guys, I've got some videos that I'll be posting soon washing wise, but I really just had to get on here and make this update video. I'm going to post this today, so it's Sunday that I'm going to put this out. And yeah, guys, if you're a victim and you haven't reached out to anybody or haven't talked to anybody, please leave a comment, and I'll figure out a way to get a hold of you and, you know, maybe help you out a little bit. So thanks, guys. Y'all have a good one. Peace.